There's got to be a better way.
Holly and Jack have come up with a cool new design for a vacuum cleaner, one that's designed for kids to use. They've got some great feedback from friends and family and recognise that at the heart of every decision is the consumer.
Sorted! We've got an awesome vacuum cleaner that kids will love! Time to start making our millions!
I don't think it's that easy, Jack. There's still lots of work to do before we're eating buckets of chocolate on our very clean private island.
Like what? We've got a great product that kids, the people we're trying to sell it to, love!
Yes, but that's not the end of it. Where are we going to sell it? For how much? How are we going to get the word out? And we still need to make a real cleaner. Ours is just a cardboard model.
I guess the guy who made PlayStation 5 didn't just make it, show it to a load of people and then let it sit in his garage to get dusty, did he?
That's right. Whilst you have a good design idea, there's still lots to do to get it into the shops and have people buying it. First, Holly and Jack need to think about how they're going to market their cleaner. Who are they selling it to, and where are those people likely to buy it?
Let's start at the beginning. Who's the vacuum for?
Easy. Kids.
Okay, and who do we want to buy it?
I just said, kids.
I don't think so. It doesn't matter how cool a vacuum cleaner is. How many kids do you know are going to save their pocket money to buy one?
Your vacuum has wings, and you can collect slate points the more you vacuum. Maybe win prizes, or just score more than your friends.
Even so, I don't think kids are going to be the ones buying it.
Okay, so it's for kids, but we're marketing it to parents to buy.
That seems the best bet to me.
Holly and Jack have hit on something really important. You need to think about who you're marketing the product to. Their idea is that kids will want to use their vacuum cleaner, but that doesn't mean kids will be the ones buying it.
Okay, so we know we're marketing it to parents, so how do we sell it to parents?
Well, the toy shop probably isn't the place for it.
Yeah, even if anyone in the toy shop did want to buy it, people might presume it's just a toy.
What about the supermarket?
I like it. It's full of parents doing the big shop and it'll really stand out on the shelf.
It's perfect then.
Hang on, let's get our executive business director of global markets in here for a second opinion before we press on with negotiations with Morrison's. Dad!
Yes?
We're thinking of selling our vacuum at the supermarket. What do you think?
It's full of parents and it's way more interesting than the boring food that's usually on the shelves.
I don't know. When I'm doing the big shop, I'm thinking about food, not cleaning.
Okay, well, what about the dry cleaners? You're thinking about cleaning there.
Yes, but I'm not thinking about spending lots of money on something like a vacuum cleaner there.
What about the bank then? You're thinking about money there.
True, but I don't think they'll let you sell things in the bank.
What about an electrical shop then?
Bingo! If I was looking to buy a cleaner, that's the first place I'd look. Or online.
Thanks, Dad. We got there in the end.
So, what's my cut of the cash when you two become millionaires?
Holly and Jack have now an idea about to whom they need to market to and where people might want to buy their vacuum cleaner. Next, they'll need to decide on a price point. How much will their cleaner cost to buy?
There's got to be a better way. With support from the UK's #1 vacuum cleaner brand, Shark. Find out more at funkidslive.com/shark.